Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to go over the must-do deals for CVS next week. I'm also going to show you how you can put together 2 transactions at the end, roll your rewards, and really get used to saving money at CVS and keeping your out-of-pocket super low. We're also going to be combining that with Flu's gift cards to give you additional cash back. That's how you'll be able to get 7 products for just $6.20. That is your cash cost. So super beginner friendly. If you want to save money at CVS, definitely stay tuned. And if you're new, you know what to do. Take a second and subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the channel. It's completely free to do so. And that notification bell, so when I post new deals, freebies, ways that you can save a ton of money, you'll be notified and you can take advantage of them before the sale is over. I do have a couple updates for you guys. My next couponing class is going to be on Tuesday, September 7th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the class I did on Wednesday totally sold and actually oversold a little bit. So it seems to be that 7 p.m. is kind of like a sweet spot where most people are off work, and even depending on your time zone, it seems to be what works really well. So if you want to join my next couponing class, it'll be at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure that you click the link below in the description box. A couple people have been asking me if the times aren't working, if you guys can still reserve for the class and then just get the recording afterwards. And the answer is yes. I do record the classes, so I can send you that in all the same documents and everything at the end of the class. I can send that to you as well. So if you're not able to attend any of the classes, you can still reserve. Just shoot me an email, let me know, hey, I reserved for this couponing class. I know I won't be able to make it. If you could please send me the recording afterwards, that's no problem. I also have a giveaway going on later today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you set an alarm, you remind yourself so you can pop on. Every person who attends is going to get 3 Flu's vouchers. And I'll let you know exactly how you can do that in the live video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Also, if you become a new Flu's active member anytime this week, whether you signed up on Monday or it's going to be ending on Friday, if you become a new active member with my code BREECouponQueen21 and you purchase your first gift card, any gift card, it could be $5 gift card to Grubhub, it could be a $10 gift card to CVS, any gift card on the app, once you purchase your first gift card, that makes you an active member. You will be entered in to win a $100 CVS gift card. Perfect for back to school. You guys can stock up. And of course, if you're using that gift card as well as doing some of the couponing deals, that $100 will last you a long time. So I'm really excited to give that away. All right, some coupon inserts. We are getting 2 inserts on Sunday, a Smart Source and the September P&G inserts. So BQ has them available, or you can order from Sunday Coupon Inserts. Both of my referral codes are right there, so you can save some cash when you're ordering. I always order mine online because my region doesn't get the PG with the Tide. So I obviously stock up on Tide all the time. It's my favorite laundry detergent to use besides Gain. So in order to get that, I order it online. Also, different regions get different value coupons. So to get the best coupons, to get the highest value, that's why I order mine online. So I would definitely recommend giving that a shot. All the links to the different websites that I've used personally and can vouch for are linked below in the description box. So the sooner you order, of course, the sooner you get them. Now let's pop into some great deals. Really excited the Eucerin deal is back. We haven't had a deal on Eucerin in months and months and months. And last year we used to get them all the time. So hopefully they keep coming back. So select Eucerin are spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, limit of 1. So hoping that, of course, the skin calming is included. We'll have to wait until Sunday to see exactly what's included. So stay tuned for my CVS haul that I always post on Sundays. I will have the deal updated in that haul. So grabbing 2 of these at $9.79 each. Then we are getting $2 coupons in our Sunday Smart Source insert. Check your CRTs, see if you have a 3 off of 15 lotion CRT. You'll pay $12.58, get back a $5 extra buck, and you're going to submit to Ibotta. There are $2 rebates back on the skin calming. Submit that for a quantity of 2. You'll get $4 back. That makes your final cost $3.58 for 2 big bottles, or $1.79 a piece, which is certainly a great deal. So if you love stocking up on lotion, or if you just enjoy these types of videos, take a second and smash that like button for me so I know to keep putting these deals together for you guys and help you save money at CVS. Suave Kids. So I was looking at this deal and I saw at the bottom it says or Suave Kids personal care. Now again, it says select varieties, so we'll have to see exactly what's included. Now the detangler they typically have available at the store as well, the little green bottle of Suave Kids detangler. On the app it showed $5.99 though, and that cannot be right. So I'll update that of course on Sunday. Another thing that could possibly be included would be the Suave Kids shampoo. The 12-ounce bottles are just $2.99. With the deal of buy one, get one half off, second one would be $1.49. Now, when you go to you can go to like suave.com, dove.com, anything like that, the Unilever emails, sign up for the Unilever emails. They will send you emails all the time. Make sure you click on the emails. You can scroll down and see if it says, click here for exclusive savings. That is where you get printable coupons. So there are $1 off coupons for Suave Kids right now. You can print that. Then you'll pay $2.48, get back a $2 extra buck, makes them 24 cents a piece, which is certainly a good stock up price for hair care. All right, Speed Stick deodorant. So this is kind of a Sunday only deal because the coupon we got in our 8/15 Smart Source is going to expire on Sunday. Now, if your store accepts expired coupons, then you could probably do it on like Monday or Tuesday. I, of course, shop every Sunday at CVS, so it'll be valid for mine. What you can do is grab either or, the Speed Stick, men or women. The women at my store is $3.99. Second one would be half off at $1.99. Use one of those $1 off 2 coupons, or you could have gotten like 50 cents off of each. So then you would use 2 of those. So just check, there's different insert coupons depending on what type of insert you got. Then sometimes we'll get amazing Speed Stick deodorant CRTs. A couple weeks ago, I got a $3 off of 2 Speed Stick deodorant CRT. So that, of course, would make this deal incredible, but more frequently, we'll get $1 off of 2. You'll pay $3.98, get back a $2 extra buck, makes it $1.98 for both, or just 99 cents a piece, which is really a good deal for deodorant. Okay, Huggies diapers. I wanted to add this in here. Now, of course, all the prices of everything went up a couple weeks ago. These used to be $9.99. Now they're $10.99. So they're included any kinds. You could get the good nights, the pull-ups, the little swimmers, whichever. They're spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. So you would grab 2 to hit that, or to be over that $20 mark. Right now, we have a $2.50 digital coupon. It shows right in the weekly ad for next week. There's going to be another send to card coupon, but we don't know how much it is. Typically, it's $2 or more, so that's what I based the math off of. Then check and see if you have a baby CRT, diaper CRT, Huggies CRT, anything like that. Sometimes we will also get $2 off of 2 Huggies diapers. If you have that CRT as well, you could also throw that in there. So with the deal on the screen, you'll pay $13.48, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it $8.48 for 2 bags, or $4.24 each, which is even cheaper, of course, than you would grab them at Walmart. It's about half price versus the Walmart prices. So still a really good deal. CVS and Dollar General are the best places, in my opinion, to stock up on diapers. Dollar General would be on Saturday using the 5 off of 25 coupon. I did post a $5 challenge on my TikTok yesterday for Dollar General. I know a lot of you asked, where I post my Dollar General deals. It would be on my new Instagram, Bree Coupon Queen 1, and it would be on my TikTok. I try to do $5 challenges every single week, as long as there's, of course, good digital coupon deals going on. So this week, there's definitely some good deals. So check out that TikTok if you want some great savings at Dollar General. All right, we are back to the spend 30 deal, get a $10 extra buck. So what you could do is grab one of the Tide Pods. Those are included at $4.94. 3 of the Pantene, they're on sale 3 for $12. One of the large Tide Liquid, or you could get the large Tide Pods for $11.94. As many Tide Pods as I've purchased over the years, I've actually never tried them. So let me know if you like the Tide Pods. I mean, obviously it would be easier, but I've heard horror stories where like the pod wrapper doesn't dissolve all the way and it like ruins clothing and stuff. And I don't know, that just freaked me out. So I stick to the Tide Liquid, but let me know in the comments what you think about that. Then you can grab one of the Gain Flings for $4.94. I'm going to check if the Gain Liquid, the smaller one, is also included because like I said, I prefer the liquid and I love the smell of Gain. It smells incredible. That'll bring you to $33.82. So all of this is going to be using paper coupons. So $2 Tide Pod coupon from our September PG. There's also printable P&G coupons. I have that link for you below in the description box. So click the little down arrow, that will expand the description box and you can click on that link, sign up for an account and you can print free PG coupons. Then you're going to use a 3 off of 3 Pantene from the September PG insert, a $3 Tide, and a $1 Gain Flings we got in our 8/15 save insert. Check to see if you also have a 2 off of 10 Pantene CRT. You'll pay $22.82, get back a $10 extra buck, makes it $12.82 for all 6 products, or $2.13 each, which is a great deal. And of course, the $12 for the Pantene tracks towards beauty. If you still struggle with couponing at CVS, I do have a full ebook that I created a couple months ago, linked below in the description box. It goes over everything you need to know about couponing at CVS, all my tips and tricks that I've come up with over the last 2 years, and how I'm able to grab hundreds of dollars of products every single month at CVS for free or close to free. So that ebook will go over CRTs, how to use them, how to stack them, how to get more of them, you name it. Okay, this current week is a better deal on the Crest Scope mouthwash because they're $3.99. Next week is going to be a deal. You can either get the Crest Pro Health or the Crest Scope. So I would get the Pro Health because that one is a more expensive mouthwash anyway, and it'll be $4.99 next week. Buy one, get a $2 extra buck. We're also getting dollar coupons in our September PG insert. So you'll pay $3.99, get back a $2 extra buck. That makes it just $1.99. Now, personally, $1 or less for oral care is my stock-up price. I have so much oral care right now, though. I don't buy oral care unless it's like free or a moneymaker. But grabbing the Crest Pro Health at $1.99 is not a bad deal. Here's a good cereal deal. It's on Special K or the cereal bars. I actually really like the Special K cereal bars and the protein bars. Used to buy that a little while ago. I switched to something else. I switched to the Built bars that you can order online. Those are super good. But these are going to be $1.99 select varieties. My favorite one, I think it's Special K. It was called like strawberries and yogurt or something. Berries and yogurt. And it had like little clusters. It was so good. I gotta buy that again because that's like a really good cereal. So they're $1.99 each. We have right now $1 off 2 digital coupons. So you could clip that now if you want. You'll pay just $1.49 a piece, which is an amazing deal on cereal. Even at Walmart, cereal is like $3 to $5 a box, which is crazy. So definitely you should never be paying full price for cereal. You want to make sure that you're couponing for it and stocking up when good deals are available. Now let's get into these transaction examples. First transaction, what you can do is put together 2 of the Speed Stick deodorant, do that deal. That'll bring you to $5.98, and that Crest mouthwash. So this is a very beginner-friendly deal. Total is $10.97. We have $3 in coupons and CRTs that I mentioned in the video. You would pay $7.97 plus taxes out of pocket. So you have to pay that out of pocket. You may as well get some cash back for buying the products. So what you're going to do, you can click the link below in the description box, or you can just go and download Flues. use my code BRIE Coupon Queen 21. You'll get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. Then, of course, if you join me in my live today, a little bit later today at 3 p.m., you can get 3 more vouchers for 35% cash back. And CVS is one of the stores that you can use one of those vouchers on. So buy $10 gift cards at a time, because that's how you will get $3.80 back each. If you buy one $20 gift card, you're only going to get $4 back. So that is my tip and my trick for Flues. So you're going to buy a $10 gift card. It's going to be a digital gift card right on your phone. The cashier is going to click gift card on their side. They're going to scan the barcode right on your phone. They're going to type in the PIN number, and bam, it'll cover the cost. Then you're going to get back 2 different $2 extra bucks. Transaction 2, give them the Kellogg's and the Suave Kids deal. After the coupons, you'll pay $5.46, but you got $4 in extra bucks from your first transaction. So rip that off the receipt, give it to the cashier. Now you only pay $1.46 plus taxes. You still have money left over on that first Flues gift card. So you're going to, again, show them that same gift card, same process. They're going to scan it. It'll cover the cost of that. Depending on the taxes in your area, you may have a little bit left out of pocket. And then you're going to get back another $2 extra buck for the Suave Kids deal. So let's go over the final cash cost. You paid $10 on the Flues account to get a $10 gift card. You got back instantly for buying it, not for using it, but for buying the gift card, you instantly get back $3.80 on your Flues account. That makes your final cost $6.20 for all 7 products, or 88 cents each. And for your next transaction, you still have a $2 extra buck available. So if you guys have any questions, as always, reach out to me, drop a comment, let me know. There were so many amazing deals going on the current week, especially at Walmart using Ibotta. We got a huge moneymaker deal at Walgreens on some oral care, some hair care. So if you haven't checked out any of these other videos, definitely do so. And of course, if you're not subscribed, take a second and hit that subscribe button right there so that I can notify you when I'm posting new amazing deals. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.